Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I don't know why my camera's blurry, but it is. I need to fix it. That's better. Okay. And yes, these little cats do fight people and each other. That video did so good. So I think I'm gonna do part 2, but no, it's not part 2. It's gonna be them wrestling. They're so scared of the camera. Whoa, he's trying to run up on me. Oh, don't run up on me. Who are you? Number 2? The fathead. This is fathead, guys. The fattest one. Here, Maui, have your cap. See? That one had baby. I don't know what this vlog's about. Who opened that door? I did not open. Okay, Kaden, shut the door. Shout out to him. We're shutting the door. Okay, yeah. I just wanted to tell you guys, today I'm doing my 90s to 100 vlogs, so it'll be like 20 vlogs today. And look, well, that's weird. Oh, it's about to open again, I think. Nope. So yeah, this is the mom, if you guys were wondering. Now, see, look. She's about to lay down so they can eat milk. Oh, yep. And she just laid down. Now they eating milk. Yep, they eat milk for 11 until they a year old. Then they stop. Then they have to eat cat food. They already eat cat food, but that's a big crunch stuff. And yeah. I think this is gonna be a shout out video. So shout. Okay, no, yeah, the next one is gonna be a shout out video. Next vlog in like 5 minutes. So yeah, if you like this video, smash that button in the face and comment down below if you like this video. And peace.